Oh, I forgot one more thing. The ow. Ow means red. Oh, here means the color red, green. So yellow, white, orange, white, black. If you want to use the black, wait, hold on. If you want to use the black, use the K, not the B, because B is blue. K black. C cyan. And magenta. Okay. If you want to show the marker size. Okay, marker size here. Marker is X. If here's X, and if you want to use the red, hold on, let me see. Means dot no. Oh. Don't use the marker here. Because if you don't mention the color and the line here, it just points all the circle, the rings here. If you use the color here, is red, don't put the marker. It's no use to put the marker, because if you just put the marker, it's already a straight line. Or it's already a line. It's a line, just a line, not a dot line, solid line, dash line. Yes. So it makes sense because the marker means the line, the straight line here. Okay, so in here, comma, mark size is 10. 10. Mark size 10, mark size is 20, is 50. So yeah, it's really weird. Yeah, isn't it? So okay. Next one. Next one here. Mark color. Comma. Mark color. Yeah, mark color. Like red. So it's red. If it's blue, type the blue. If it's black, type the K. Yeah, it's same like like this. How is red stands for red here. Okay, so the next one. The next one is fill in color, or you could say the face color. Let me copy this. Okay, if here's O, because O inside O, there's a hole here. Okay, so mark face color is black. So inside the line is blue. You can see line is blue, but inside the circle is black. Or it's hard to see. Hold on. Mark size is 40. Yeah, you can see the line is blue. The outline, the line is blue, but inside the line, it's hollow and it's black here. Okay. So, hold on. If you want to change the edge, the line here, his edge here, well, you could say this line and the edge here. If we want to change edge color, so put mark edge color, just like the red, for example. So it's red. You can see the edge is red here. Or if you know, I don't know some of you, if you know HTML or CSS, here you could use the hexadecimal color. I mean, here you could use 0.0000060 here, because 60 in hexadecimal means black. It means black. I don't know if some of you knows HTML or CSS. Or you can say it is in the CSS here. If even here's white, one types on is the one here. Hold on. Why it doesn't change? If here's even it's F, yeah, it is white. It's white because F is the largest digit. No, it's the largest number. Yeah, in a decimal point here. Because you just like turn on the lights here. Here is red, blue, and green. So the first two is red, next two is blue, and the last two is green. And you can change here. You can see. Yes. Yeah, you could use you could use the online. You could not just like you could refer to the online. Just type Google to help you to create the color you like here. Okay. Or just type the name. Like pink. Let me see. Yeah, pink, blue. Oh, pink. Yes. Well, you could just directly put the name here. It's really easy here. And the next here. See, I can show you just if you just want to mention the style. Style like dot. So it's dot line. Just the line style here or dash line. Dash here. Or you could just type the ls line style. It is the short form. It's up to you here. Okay, and here you could just like this previous one. Here is the dash line, and here's the dot line. If you prefer, just type the hold on. Yeah, you could just type the character or the name here, and the next one here. Line. color is red, so the whole thing is red. The whole line is red. Or you just type the name here red, you choose the red, or if you know, if you could type the hexadecimal. 0.0000000, so it's red. Or 5A7FFGC. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, 6, just 6. Oh, why type the G? Why type the G? The greatest is F, not the G. Okay. Or you could type like this hexadecimal point, hexadecimal color, or just the name of the color, or just a short form of the color. It's up to you here. And the line width. Common line width. 20. Yeah, it's 20. And 10. 0, so nothing. I suggest you don't put the negative number. Because is misleading here. It's a little misleading because the 2 and negative 2 is the same. Yeah, you ignore the negative value, although it ignores the negative value, but I suggest you don't do that. Okay. So how about create a multiple lines? Multiple lines. And here's y1 is 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, and the second here is y1. So it's the 2 lines, same color, red, same color here. The parallel, yeah. Or you could create a multiple lines, a number of the lists, or you could just create an array method in the numerical Python here. Is also acceptable. You could create a bunch of lines you want here. Okay, so that's the end of this tutorial. Thank you for listening.